Hello everyone, it's Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and today we're reviewing the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel in Anaheim, California, near the Disneyland Resort. This hotel is about a half mile from Disneyland, so it's in a really good location. It's really cute. They're hosting my stay for the weekend, and I'm excited to review this hotel. The room is really nice. This is room 2249. It's a premium king room. And it's very spacious. So right here is the door. And there's this little kind of entryway area, which is really luxurious. You don't see this in many hotels. So there's a little bench here and a mirror, and then a very nice full-size closet with some luggage racks and hangers and extra sheets and blankets, things like that. And then there is a completely enclosed restroom area with one sink, lots of counter space. The bathroom could be a little roomier, and I do prefer when the sink is outside of the toilet shower area, but all things considered, it's really nice. There's a nice tall shower head and a safety bar, big bathtub, and comes with their own branded toiletries. Very nice. And there's a light up mirror, which is always good for doing my makeup. And then moving on to the main area, it's really roomy. So you'll see there's a seating area with a sofa and chair and coffee table. And then the bed, of course, beautifully decorated. And on the other side, you have your TV and console. There are some drawers back here. So some drawers for your clothes and such. This one has ice bucket, cups, some additional storage. And then behind here is a mini fridge. So that's handy. There's a coffee maker and a flat screen TV. I love this wallpaper. It's very like enchanted forest, very subtle. And then the carpet, I do prefer laminate, but the carpet looks recently redone. It's very nice. So again, here's another look at that seating area. And then the king bed has two bedstands or nightstands with a drawer, which is really helpful for all my little nighttime things. And then check this out, on the side of each nightstand are outlets. You know my thing about outlets. If you watch my videos, outlets are very important to me. So both of them have these little power strips. This one is in use from hotel things, but they get bonus points for even having them, right? So nice king bed, looks very comfy. And then we have a pool view right outside the window. So I'm gonna check out the pool later on during my stay. But otherwise, yeah, this is super nice, very, very roomy. This is probably one of the roomiest hotel rooms I've seen near Disneyland. So I'm excited to stay here and experience this hotel. Here's another look at the pool area, which is really, really spacious. And they also have these really cute cabana areas that I believe are just available for everybody. Another really nice feature of the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel is that they do weddings and events. So you can have your wedding at this cute gazebo, and they also have ballrooms. And the hotel is just so large. There's so much open space. There's a ton of garden space. There's even a koi pond with koi fish. It's really, really cute. I definitely recommend taking some time to walk around the grounds and explore a little bit. So I hope this video helps you decide if a stay at the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel is right for you. Again, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and thank you so much for watching.